Hey guys, Daniel here. Today I'm going to be going on the Christmas boat once again. This time it's not going to be cringy. Onto the bridge.
Just turned German.
Onto the
Just saying no.
Well, anyway, enjoy the video, and what I'm going to do is like film the trip and maybe some elements of the journey as well, but again, children on the boat, so I may not be able to film as much on the inside of the boat as I want to, but oh well. Anyway, see you on the boat. Here are the seats, red, lovely, looks very comfortable. To know, I say lovely way too many times in my videos. There's loads of little drawings for the kids. Leopold's doing a drawing.
Are you having mugs one? Yeah. There you are, you have that one.
There's a view outside onto the quays. It was recently snowing where I live, and, well, in England obviously. It was snowing all over England, and as you can see, it's quite icy here. So it'll be rather interesting to see how the boat fares. I have a rather interesting thing today. Because of the ice, we're going a different route. Here we go, we're moving. Very slowly, but we are going. We're a bit delayed today. Here, there's a massive boat here. I think it was called Spot On. Hello. I filmed the man in the boat by accident. Sorry about the footage today, guys, it's a bit rainy. But I don't know if you saw, but there was just some signage from the old Victoria Quays Cafe, which is defunct for the past 2 or 3 years now.
It looks like black.
Oh, that's cool. So it's like an old bird from 1819 and a newish bird from 2019. It looks like a swan. Yeah, it is a swan.
Daniel is not talking to you.
Here's another nice boat, 77-815. Looks a bit old though. Oh, here's another boat,
Are you going to be on that boat when you're standing up?
Again, apologies about the fact it just won't go into focus because of the rain. Here's the bridge for Derek Dooley Way, which goes above us. Father Christmas is here, everyone. Say hi. We're moving along, but very, very slowly. Oh my days, there's a massive piece of ice down there, and you can actually see it, it's that thick. Oh, it's going to crash into us. Not a Titanic reference. Well, the Titanic crashed into the ice. Now we're going backwards, back to the pier. Something rather interesting, we've gone really far back. We don't usually go this far back, but we have. There's loads of boats. Sorry, I was doing my interview of Father Christmas and stuff, but we just left the boat parking depot thing. Here's Millie Grace. Yeah. This boat ride hasn't turned out as I wanted it to so far, but hey ho, because we haven't gone the usual route today. But never mind. We are now going back through the boat gates. Lachlan, close me up to the wall. Okay guys, I'm outside.
You know you're not, you're inside.
No. He's outside. What's inside?
It's getting a bit dark, a bit cold, but I've got my jumper on, so it's okay. He's been breaking the ice, and yeah, so I'll just be doing an outside film for a bit until we get here, I guess.
Looks like very helpful.
Don't go up there. Have to be careful, you can't go up there, chicken. See it? Cat eye, sit there.
You want to get up there?
Well, that's it, well, they can get up. Right,
Well, the Christmas just left.
good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
It's a t-shirt, my Have a good Christmas and New Year.
Yeah,
That
you
is
too.
super duper camera.